船的时候了啊。
So, Junior Captain, where are you from?
来自哪里？
台湾。
He's from Taiwan. Wow.
来自台湾的船长。
Where in Taiwan?
台湾哪里？
桃园。
桃园。
Oh, Hualien. I've been to Hualien many times. Right, nice. All right, Taiwan, since you are driving a Taiwanese ship, we have to put up a Taiwan flag.
有一个台湾的国旗。因为你驾驶的是台湾船，所以说一定要挂台湾国旗啊。
I would be in trouble if it was a kid from some other country because I only have one flag.
所以说我们只有一面国旗，台湾国旗，所以说不会有什么问题。
So, do you know how to drive a ship?
你知道怎么驾驶船吗？
Do you know how to steer? Okay, now we're going to ask the other passengers a very important question. If they know in what direction we are sailing in. I know we have one off part of the ship and we